right across from me. And it looks like it's completely nice, undeveloped, big old piece of property, probably worth millions of dollars. I'm trying to get a lay, and you can see it goes downhill right there, off that area over here. And so, got that little hole there, but trying to figure out exactly where you can see water comes down here too. You can see by this gully thing right there that we're down to the natural rock right there, that it comes right across the road right through there off the back side of where my property is, right along here. So that's what we're going to try and get it to do more. But the city really needs to put, when they put a new road in, they need put a culvert in here. Okay, it really needs a culvert of some kind. And this right here needs to be dug out so that it's, water comes across it better. And you can see with the guy right over there in the middle of the road right there, he's been shoveling dirt in there all day. Here today is Sunday. Sunday in Roatan, everybody takes off, you know. And there's a good pile of my rock right there, quartz rock, right there. There's a good piece of Roatan quartz right there from my property. Yes, sir. We'll take a couple of pieces of that. Right there. Wash them off and take them back to my house. Okay. So that'd be kind of cool. You know. We'll just get a couple other pieces. There's some pretty cool rocks here. Yeah. There's this green stuff here too. You get a lot of that right here, and see a fair amount. But when they tried to dig up my mountainside, we got nothing but quartz rock.